Hi, my name is Regitze. How do you get the best ROI or return on investment with your Facebook and Instagram ads? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. And stay until the end, I have something free I want to tell you about. But let's jump into it. How do you get the best ROI or return on investment with your Facebook and Instagram ads? Well, you can target warm audiences. Those are the best audiences to target. Warm audiences is people who already know about your business or you, and already engage with it and you somehow. So here I'm in my own Facebook Ads Manager, and I'm on my in an ad set. So you scroll down. I'm gonna show you some of the warm audiences. Here under Audiences, you go Create New, and you make a custom audience. And there can be many different kind of audiences. It can be website visitors or a customer list. A customer list is great to target if you have something that they can buy again. Maybe you have a second offer, or maybe it's something that they purchase several times. Or you can make a lookalike audience from your customer list. That is great. I mean, Facebook can find people who are similar to your customers. That's very powerful. That's usually the best return on investment you can get, the best warm audience. Or you can target people who engage with your Instagram account. Let me show you more. Make sure you choose the right account here. So you can choose people who followed you, people who engage with your account, people who visited your profile, and so on. And the most is a year, the last year for 365 days. Let's go back. Look at another option. You can also target, if you had lead forms already, you can retarget those people who are engaged with your lead form. Let's choose the right account again here. And the most is within the last 90 days. And you can target one specific lead form, or you can select all of them. I'm just gonna select all. And then you can target people who just opened the form, or you can target people who opened it or didn't submit it, or you can target people who opened it and did submit it. So all kinds of possibilities there. You can also target people who engage with your Facebook page, same as Instagram account. Choose the right page here. Also 360 days, you can make it less if you want. Again, people who liked or followed you, or people who engaged with your page, and so on. But the thing you want to do is when you use a warm audience like that, you can also make a lookalike from it. That is very powerful, especially from your customer list. Like I said, I have other videos showing that. But what you don't want to do, you don't want to change anything else like the age and gender and detailed targeting and languages, nothing like that, because you're already targeting people who know you. So don't change it. And if you make a lookalike, then Facebook is already gonna target people who are similar to the custom audience that you're making the lookalike from. The thing you can change is now it's on default in Denmark because I live in Denmark, but you can change the location, because of course you only want to target people who's in a location where you can deliver your product. So you can change that, but otherwise I wouldn't change anything when it's a custom audience or a lookalike audience. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be happy to answer. And the free thing I want to give you is a free Facebook and Instagram ads template. If you're a coach and consultant, you can use that template to make your own Facebook and Instagram ads. You can download it for free. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we're a specialized Facebook and Instagram ad agency for coaches and consultants. So if you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me and my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please like, follow, and subscribe, share it with a friend. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.